In this video, we're going to talk about how long does a lemon law case take in California. My name is Lior Katz, and I'm a lemon law attorney in Southern California, and I'm the founder of mylemonattorney.com. Many clients that call our office want to know how long would a lemon law case take. Let me tell you, that's the hardest question an attorney can answer. Why? Because we don't have a crystal ball. Sometimes lemon law cases can take as short as a few months, 2 or 3 months. However, some cases can drag along if the manufacturer refuses to do the right thing quickly and ends up going to court and pushing it all the way, sometimes to trial. Those cases can take up to 2 to 3 years. The one thing to remember about these lemon law cases, however, is that even if a case takes a long time, the benefit to the consumer is that if you're ultimately a winner and you ultimately deem to have a proper lemon law case, you will get back all of the payments that you paid for the vehicle throughout the case itself. So if the case takes a year to resolve, that's another 1 year worth of payments that you may be able to receive back. So that's one good thing about lemon law. The second thing to remember is in 2025, there was a new set of laws called AB 1755 in California. And those actually help the consumers in some ways and hurt the consumers in other ways. We'll talk about how they hurt the consumers in certain ways in other videos, but in this video, I'm going to talk about how they can actually help consumers. So the new law, AB 1755, actually requires that certain things in a lawsuit be conducted quickly. In other words, it pushes the manufacturer and the consumer to act quickly and do things in a much faster pace than we could do before. So in other words, there's certain requirements that we have to do within certain deadlines. Within the first 2 months of the case, we have to provide the other side with information and documents, and they have to do the same. Within a few months after that, we then have to conduct depositions. So the point is that everything moves a lot quicker. In fact, there's actually a portion of the law that requires that mediations be done really quickly in a lemon law case, just within the first 6 months, and that can get things resolved a lot quicker than it could do before. In other words, the manufacturer will have to come and try to negotiate the case and settle the case within a certain time frame, which is something we did not have before. So if you have a lemon law case, or you have a defective vehicle that you bought brand new or certified pre-owned in California, and you want to learn whether you qualify for lemon law, we'll be happy to help you. Go to mylemonattorney.com or give us a call at 800-88-LEMON. We'll be happy to help you.